Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope all of you are safe and sound by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIUVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 3. Let's see our today's topic. It is Unseen Comprehension 1 Revision. Dear learners, this class is very important. Unseen Comprehension 1 Revision and lecture number 23 on our annual term syllabus. So let's see the board. Read the following comprehension carefully. One day a dog stole a piece of meat. He ran the piece of meat in his mouth. Okay, I think all of my students of class 3 know the story, but in our revision class today I am telling this also. He was crossing a bridge. He saw his own shadow in the water below. He thought it was another dog. He too had a piece of meat in his mouth. The dog was greedy. So look here, look at the characteristics of dog. It was greedy. He wanted to have that piece of meat too. He opened his mouth and barked. So his own piece of meat fell into the water. Okay, this is the passage about. Now we will go to fill in the blanks. Okay, look here. A, fill in the blanks with the given words. Below, another, breeze, piece, wanted. These are the options. Now with using these options you will fill in the blanks. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blanks are given here. At first, number A. The dog ran with the dash of meat in his mouth. So look here, the dog ran with the piece of meat in his mouth. So look here, it is piece, P-I-E-C-E. Okay, don't make a spelling mistake. It is piece. The dog ran with the piece of meat in his mouth. Number 2, he was crossing a dash. So look here, he was crossing a bridge. Look at the word bridge. Okay, look, he was crossing a bridge. Next, C number, he saw his own shadow in the water dash. So look here, he saw his own shadow in the water below. Look at the word below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Fourth, D number, fill in the blanks. He thought it was dash dog. So look, he thought it was dash dog. He thought it was another dog. Another. Look at the word another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. I am telling again. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Last, fill in the blanks. E number, he dashed to have that piece of meat too. So look here, he died. Was greedy, he wanted. Okay, he wanted to have that piece of meat too. So look at the word wanted. W-A-N-T-E-D. He wanted to have that piece of meat too. Okay, now we have finished our fill in the blanks. Now we will go to our question answer. So look, how many questions I have given? 5. Answer the following questions. Number A, who stole a piece of meat? Answer, a dog stole a piece of meat. From the passage we have understood that a dog stole a piece of meat. B number, what was he crossing? He was crossing a bridge. Number C, what did he see in the water? So look here, he saw his own shadow in the water. Dear learners, here did is given, that means past tense. Okay, whenever we write the answer, we will follow the sentence in past formula or past tense. So look here, it is saw. He saw his own shadow in the water. Mind it. Now D number, how was the dog? Answer, the dog was greedy. Look at the last question answer. What did the dog want? The dog wanted. So look another word, want, did. That means past structure. The dog wanted to have that piece of meat too. Okay, now with this question answer we have finished our question answer and fill in the blanks. Dear students of class 3, I hope all of you have understood this revision class. This topic is important. As a result, I have taken this class again for your betterment. I hope all of my students have understood and are revising this topic carefully at home. Finally, keep practicing a lot and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.